Here's a video to walk you through how to view additional details about reports in your report library. So I've logged into one of our demo accounts with a client admin user. And when we first log in, we'll be taken to our dashboard. So we'll need to head over to our report library. And to do this, we just need to find report library in the left-hand navigation bar here and click on the link. And when the page loads, you'll see an action section. So at the top of the page, you'll have the ability to search for and filter reports. You can toggle and change the view. And you also have the ability to update the number of reports that will be displayed on each page in the report library. From there, you'll find a listing of all of the reports. It's important to note out here that you'll see a base report or all base reports, which are the reports that come out of the box with your Ops Insights description. And you'll also see any custom reports that our report writing team may have created for you. So with your Ops Insights subscription, you typically receive an allotment of report requests, or you can purchase additional ones above and beyond your initial allotment. And that allows you to access our report writing service, our custom report writing service, where we can create custom reports for you. We can modify existing base reports, or we can create new reports for you from scratch as well. So you'll find a listing of all the reports, and most of the time it's going to include, or our base report count, or the number of base reports is going to be in the hundreds. So there's a lot of reports here that will be listed in your report library. But for the purpose of this report, we just kind of want to walk through how to read the reports in your report library and get the most useful information from them. So the first thing I want to point out here is you can see that there's an image above each listing, and this image is going to represent the type of report it is. So for instance, this report is going to be a pie chart. This report is going to be a count widget, is what we refer to them as. And the count widgets are the most simplistic style of visualization in Ops Insights. They just display a number, and they appear at the top of your dashboard. So when you first log in, you can quickly and easily see a number and relate it to a title. And from there, for instance, the total number of orders that you've received, or the total amount of revenue that you've received in some time frame. We also have Excel style reports as well. So just wanted to kind of show you or walk through the types of reports. Obviously, we do have other visualization types, but they'll be represented by a different image there. From there, you can see this is the actual title of the report, the name of the report. And this was going to be the largest font area. So some report names can be quite lengthy. But that's where this will appear here. From there, if we continue on down, we'll see a database icon here, and we'll see a title name. So this is actually the name of the connector that this report is assigned to and reports from. So what a connector is just a database. We call them connectors in Ops Insights. But this can be useful for you if you have multiple connectors enabled in your account. So with your Ops Insights subscription, you do have the ability to have one connector enabled. But we do offer as an upgrade the ability to have multiple connectors upgraded or enabled at one time. So you can have many connectors if you'd like, and you've chosen to go with that upgrade. So for instance, some of our clients, if they're transitioning from one title production system to another, they'll have both enabled at any point in time, which will allow you to quickly and easily transition over to your new production system. Some of our clients have CRMs, issue tracking software, you name it. So if a system has a database, you can absolutely connect it to Ops Insights. But the main takeaway here is just wanted to show you that this is going to let you know or inform you which connector this particular report is assigned to and what it's reporting from. And again, this is very useful when you have multiple connectors enabled in your account. From there, we have a listing of a base report or a custom report. So I referenced or mentioned this earlier. In your report library, you're going to see a listing of all of your base reports, which are the out-of-the-box reports that come with your subscription. And then you're going to see any custom reports as well. So this display area here will inform you if this is a base report or if it is a customized report. If you need additional information about what a base report is or what a custom report is, you can actually click on this link here and a window will appear. It's going to inform you that, hey, this is a base report and this is what a base report is and how it works. From there, we can actually preview the report, but we want to show you additionally how we can see a little bit more information about a report. We can actually change the view style and click on list here. And you can see we still have our report title or report name. We've got the connector assignment. We have the report type here. But more importantly, after we've changed the view from a grid style view to a list style view, we can see the report description and we can see any tags that are assigned to the report. So the report description is probably one of the most important things in Ops Insights, and especially when it comes to reporting. And that's because the description is going to explain to you the purpose of the report, how it's designed to work, any criteria filtering options that are required. So anything that you need to make sure that you select to run the report. And it's also going to break down how the columns work as well. So if it's an Excel style report, it will also contain a section that will inform you which fields specific columns pull from in your production software. And if there's a custom calculation or any custom algorithm that we've created for a report, the report description or the column definition section, as it's referred to as in the report description, will actually break down how that calculation is made or how that column, how that information is combined to display what it displays. So very important, and we always recommend when you're running reports in Ops Insights to read and review the report description, because this is going to allow you to get the most out of your reports. And from there, you can also see any tags. So when our report writing team, whether it's a base report or a custom report, when we create a report, we actually assign category tags to a report. So it makes searching and filtering the report library a lot easier as well. So this is a quick overview of how to get or see additional information, additional details about reports in your report library. Of course, if you have any questions about this or need additional information or clarification, please feel free to reach out to our support team, support@opsinsights.com. Thanks. We look forward to hearing from you.